Hey guys, it's Roto, and today I will be trying out Adam's car shampoo, and I will be cleaning the Civic. So let me just set up the Kranzle, and we should be good to go. Time to clean the car. Oh, I forgot to show you guys how dirty the car is. So, you can see here, it's dirty, right? You can see the sides as well. It's a bit dirty here. So, the car's dirty. Alright, time to try Adam's. Is it leaking? I don't think it is. That's from earlier, so. Ooh. Looks like that's an SRT? I don't know. Well, I'm gonna leave this again, so I'm just gonna put it there. So, Adam's soap. I've tried this earlier, but it wasn't foaming that well, and I forgot to take a video of it, but I'm gonna take a video again. But anyway, so pour 1 to 2 ounces of Adam's car shampoo directly into the Adam's wash pad. Oh, this one. Pour 3 to 4 ounces of Adam's car shampoo into canister. All right. So 3 to 4. So I don't have a good way of measuring it. So I think I'm just gonna do 4 squirts. Hopefully that's enough. Hopefully that translates to like 3 to 4 ounces. I don't know, we'll see. First impressions, first time using this. Ooh, smells nice. It smells nice. Alright. It does say, okay, let's see. So, 1, 2, 3, 4. Is that enough? Yeah, that's enough. Hopefully that's enough. If not, I'm gonna make a video again. How much water should we add? Probably just enough. Turn it on. Attach it. Alright, we'll see, guys. I think this should be all the way. Alright. You know what? I should have worn some gloves because it's slippery. But oh well. So check it out. It doesn't foam that well, right? So I'm not sure if it needs more squirts. But yeah, it doesn't foam well. So 4 squirts, right? So I'm not sure if I'm using enough. But you know what? Let me add, I don't know, 2 more squirts. I'm not sure how much shampoo they're using. So 1 more. 1 more. Holy crap. That's how much I use already. Wow. Oh, I don't think the foam is worth it. As long as it cleans really well. But I've used half of it and it doesn't foam well. And I'm using the default orifice for this one, which I can't remember. But I know people have been switching the orifice to get more foam out of it. And I want to try it out. Why did that car stop? It stopped. Well, it foams a little bit nicer now. Still though, it's not let's see, example that I'm gonna use is when Matt from Obsessed Garage cleans his car, it foams really well. So yeah, there you go. Adam's car shampoo. If you're like in the Quad Cities, I don't think it's gonna foam well. And maybe it's just our water. You know, it doesn't foam well. But, you know, I think it would be a waste of the shampoo if I just like keep squirting it, just trying to make it foam better. Because definitely, I think 1 to 2 squirts should be enough to clean the car, right? It's not gonna foam really well, so it's not gonna look good, but it will still clean really nice. I hope so. Anyway, to that, at least a little bit of disappointment for me. That's it, guys. Thanks for watching, and I'm gonna finish cleaning up the Civic now and the X3. So, all right, later.